According to the World Wildlife Fund, the Earth has lost 60% of its wild animal populations in the last 50 years, with the majority of this decline occurring in tropical regions. The current rate of species extinction is estimated to be 1,000 to 10,000 times higher than the natural rate of extinction, and up to 1 million species are at risk of extinction due to human activities. The main drivers of species extinction are habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation of natural resources, pollution, climate change, and the introduction of invasive species. The sixth mass extinction event is currently underway, and it is the first mass extinction event to be caused by human activities. It is estimated that up to 50% of all species on Earth could be at risk of extinction by the end of the century if current trends continue. The loss of biodiversity and ecosystems has far-reaching consequences, including reduced food and water security, increased risk of zoonotic diseases, and reduced resilience to climate change. The extinction of large animals, such as elephants, rhinos, and big cats, can have cascading effects on entire ecosystems, leading to the loss of other species and ecosystem services. Overall, these shocking facts highlight the urgent need for action to protect and restore biodiversity and ecosystems, and to address the root causes of species extinction.